Hi, one this Wayne. Hey, cutting out boxes just got a lot easier. I've got this set got hooked on my DeWalt multi-tool. Put the lock on it so I don't get myself. You can see how that works there. The head slips over, slips in there, and then it slips down into the channel. And you can find a. Gotta make sure it locks on the pegs there. Watch the video here. It's a great thing. Stainless steel. Got really pretty aggressive tooth set on it. So it's going to take just no time at all to get through drywall, and plaster and lath too. Now the plaster will eat them up a little faster, but they're real reasonable. If you do this work, you got to have them. I think drywall cutouts just got a lot easier for me. Thanks. Bye now.